Hello everyone, welcome to PC Drills, where you find help on how to handle your PC related issues. Today we are going to see how to download and install Codeblocks for a Windows PC. As you might already know, Codeblocks is a C and C++ IDE for programming. So today we are going to see how it's installed on a Windows 10 machine. Basically, the process works the same for other computers. So we simply head over to our browser and we search for Codeblocks. And the official website for Codeblocks IDE is codeblocks.org. Simply choose the first link and we navigate to the downloads. Here you can see you have the downloads. You can click on any of the two downloads. Once on the downloads page, simply choose download the binary release. After selecting the binary release, here you have a lot of options to choose, and here we have the different versions of the code blocks for Windows. So here we have a code blocks 20 exe. This one is a non-admin. So if you are running a machine with all the rights, let's say it's your own personal PC, then choosing the first option will be the best idea. But if you are running on maybe someone's machine on which you don't have admin privileges, then you should use the second option. And for all these other options, you can use them depending on what you actually want to choose. But actually the first two are good enough for our tutorial. But if you want the 32-bit version, you can get the 32-bit. Here we are downloading the 64-bit for our own machine. If you wanted the 32-bit, simply do the same but with a 32-bit version. And to download Codeblocks, you don't download from their own official site. So they have a link that takes you to another third-party site for download. So you can either choose to download from Force Hubs, or you can either choose to download from sourceforge.net. Here I will choose SourceForge, and it's the first file that we are seeing that I'm going to download. So, and it's my 64-bit file. Simply click on this first link for SourceForge. And if you were to download the 32-bit, you do the same for your SourceForge. You can also use Force Hubs if you are familiar with it. I usually use SourceForge, so I just click on sourceforge.net. Once the site starts, simply wait for about 3 seconds for your download to begin. Here you simply click on save file for it to download the installation file. And for installing Codeblocks, is going to be an offline installation, so after downloading you won't need an active internet connection for you to install it. So we simply wait for the download to complete and we continue. Once your download completes, simply click on Open Containing Folder to view the downloaded file. Here's what we just downloaded. You just double click for it to launch the installation process. And once prompted with the user account control notification, you take yes for it to install. The first step, we click next. The second, we agree to the license agreement. So I choose the second option, which is I agree, and here I choose next for it to install with the default. So if you have any settings here that you want to do, you can check and uncheck, and you click on the next button. And after, I have to install. But if you want to change the default location from the C drive to something else, this is where you have to do it. You browse to the location, but I want it to remain at the default location, so I simply click on next, and I wait for the installation to complete. Once completed, you are being asked if you want the Codeblocks to run. At the moment, you take yes. If you don't wish, you can still take no. So you simply click on next, and you click on finish for it to complete the installation, and you wait for it to load up. Since you clicked on yes, but for someone who didn't click on yes, it won't load up after installation, so you can manually open it. So we wait for it to load up. Since it's its first time, it's going to take a while for it to load up everything. Here they're showing for us a tip. Simply click OK, and here is our editor. Now we can create a new project, open existing projects, and we can look for tips about the editor. So that's as easy as it is to install Codeblocks on our Windows 10. So if you are doing C programming or C++, you can easily install this editor and use it. It's a very good editor with a lot of functionalities. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. We hope that it was helpful, and if it was useful to you, we wish that may you like, subscribe, and recommend to others. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. For any suggestions, keep them at the comments. Thank you.